anybody know where the brakes are on this thing?
Jonathan, why aren't you answering the phone? I need you to divert a tropical storm.
It's a 40-foot wall of water.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Everyone get